for ones that look like mine. You know what I'm saying? People was charging like over $100 for ones that look just like this one. You feel me? With the wood grain all messed up, sun damage faded, the chrome is missing, the little chrome strip around it is missing, the chrome strip around there, around the black strip is missing, and people was wanting over $100 for that. Replace this one. It's used, but it looks brand new, and y'all see how the chrome is around the black. That's how my new bezel is, and like I said, it's my bezel or my top plate is brand new, and then chrome around there as well, and then the chrome is around here. The only chrome that I'm missing is on this one, but I couldn't find none to replace this one. You know what I'm saying? If I think I found one on eBay, and it was literally the same condition as mine is, so I just kept mine. And if I find one, then I'm gonna get another one. But until then, we just got these two. My radio bezel is in perfect condition, so I didn't need to replace that, so I left it alone. But like I said, this one had to be replaced. All right, let me pull this out of the bag, and y'all ready? There it go. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now y'all see the title, thumbnail, man, we finna get right into this, you know what I'm saying? So I told y'all that I needed a new shifter top plate, you know what I'm saying, which this is what this is, a shifter top plate. Now the park, reverse, neutral, drive, them buttons, or actually just this little cover piece, it don't look that bad, but the bezel itself is in pretty bad shape. Look at that. Y'all remember I tried to clean it up to see what pieces I actually needed, and this piece is really rough. Now eBay, some people were selling some used ones and stuff, you know what I'm saying, but them used ones, for the price they was wanting, bro, they was look just like this one, you know what I'm saying? So I opted out to just getting a brand new one off eBay, and the company that sold, I think it was gbodyparts.com or originalpartsgroup.com, something like one of them companies was selling it on eBay. So I got mine off eBay, and I just went ahead and got a brand new one. Now the wood grain is gonna be a little bit different from the wood grain that's in this car already, but it's fine, you know what I'm saying? It'll be okay. I'd rather, you feel me, for the price I pay for that, people were charging more for ones that look like mine, you know what I'm saying? People was charging like over $100 for ones that look just like this one. You feel me? With the wood grain all messed up, sun damage faded, the chrome is missing, the little chrome strip around it is missing, the chrome strip around there, around the black strip is missing, and people was wanting over $100 for that. When I got this brand new one, like I said, just the wood grain just a little bit different, but I got this brand new one for $90, you know what I'm saying? Brand new, chrome, everything brand new, you know what I'm saying? It's remanufactured, it was a brand new piece, it ain't used or nothing, brand new. So like I said, wood grain is different, and I will show y'all once we get outside the car. I took my center console out, and I'm gonna take this out as well, and then we're gonna bring the piece back in. I'm gonna show y'all the piece next to my wood grain that I already got in here. Y'all know I replaced this one. It's used, but my Jet logo is there now. Replace this one. It's used, but it looks brand new, and y'all see how the chrome is around the black. That's how my new bezel is, and like I said, it's my bezel or my top plate is brand new, and then chrome around there as well, and then the chrome is around here. The only chrome that I'm missing is on this one, but I couldn't find none to replace this one, you know what I'm saying? If I think I found one on eBay, and it was literally the same condition as mine is, so I just kept mine. And if I find one, then I'm gonna get another one. But until then, we just got these two. My radio bezel is in perfect condition, so I didn't need to replace that, so I left it alone. But like I said, this one had to be replaced. And y'all know I was gonna replace the one that had the little cigarette port as well, but I couldn't find none, and the only ones I found was black, so I just opted out to making a cup holder. I'm gonna make it a cup holder, and that's why I ordered the cup holder, which if y'all would have checked out the last video, y'all would know that, you know what I'm saying? I went ahead and just ordered me a little cup holder. I don't know what this is, it's a little sticker. Throw that out of here. But yeah, like I said, man, all I did was replace it, you feel me? So got a brand new one. It came with brand new clips on the end because I'm missing one clip, so came with brand new clips, and it came with the park reverse neutral, you feel me? This little piece, it came with it already in there. So the only thing, which I'll show y'all, you feel me, once we get outside the car, the only thing I need is the little black piece, the black I forgot what it's called, but I've already ordered it, and it's supposed to be in 2 days. So yeah, like I told y'all, man, I'm basically ordering stuff, one project, whatever project I'm doing. If I need to order something for that project, then I'm ordering stuff then, instead of just like I did when the car was gone, having parts and parts pile up, and I haven't even used half of them parts that I've already ordered yet. Carpet ain't been used. My T-top trim, not the T-top trim, but my soft top trim still sitting over there at the other crib with the box Chevy, my exhaust, my mufflers. You feel me? A lot of stuff over there is just sitting because I can't really do nothing with it yet. So I wish I would have waited on ordering and stuff, and I would have ordered stuff that I knew I was gonna put on instantly once I got the car back. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? At least I have it now, you know? But like I said, this video I'm finna basically show y'all that top plate. We finna get outside the car. Center console is already in the back, so I'm finna go show that to y'all. But I hope y'all enjoyed this vid, man. Once y'all see it, y'all leave a comment down below for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that like button. Smash that like button, matter of fact. Man, y'all like the video for me, you feel me? Then share the channel, share this video, man. Road to 5,000 subscribers. So I need y'all help. Share the channel, share the video. Subscribe, do whatever you can. Subscribe if you're new. Help me reach that goal, 5K subscribers. But other than that, man, we finna take this to the back. My other one is sitting on top of the roof, the brand new one, and we finna unbox it. I'm gonna show it to y'all. So I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all like it, and I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all. So my battery finna die on my camera, so I gotta try to hurry this up a little bit. But y'all know the black piece that goes under here. I've ordered it. Y'all look and see. This is it. Ooh. This is it, you know what I'm saying? That's the name of it. So the dust seal that goes right under here. I've ordered a brand new one, and it should be in 2 days, 3 days, it says. So waiting on that to come in. Once that comes in, then we're gonna go ahead, put it on here, then throw my top plate on completely, you know what I'm saying? Then that will be done. But this is the old one, like I said. This is my new one in here. I'm gonna show y'all in a second, but it basically just sits on here like that. You feel me? And like I said, I already made my ABS plastic for my cup holder. Once my cup holder come in, we're gonna cut the hole out for that, wrap it in Alcantara, and then that's done. If y'all didn't check out the video when we wrapped this in Alcantara, go check that out. This looks fantastic, bro. I did so well on this piece, on that armor's piece. You feel me? And it's still soft, and the Alcantara feels amazing on there. But yeah, this is the old top plate, and like I said, it's no good. You know what I'm saying? Look at it, bro. And then it's cracked and chipped. It's no good. So like I said, the wood grain that I've ordered is right here, and the wood grain is off a little bit, but it's fine, you know what I'm saying? It'll be A-OK. Hold on, man, my phone keep going off. All right, let me pull this out of the bag, and y'all ready? Yeah, there you go. That's the new one, bro. My phone. Hold on, let me turn my ringer off. That's the new one. And like I said, the wood grain, honestly, it ain't that off. Not as off as I was thinking it was gonna be. And like I said, I ordered it off eBay. It's about $90 after shipping and tax. Shipping was like $7. It's $70, and the shipping was like $7, $8, and then tax. And as y'all can see, chrome. And like I said, this is brand new. You know what I'm saying? They remade these. And this mug look like glass, bro. Look at that. Come on now. I'm gonna leave the plastic off. I'm not taking the plastic off, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, it comes with this piece already in it. Y'all can see, like this one. It comes with it already in there. And then, yeah, it's brand new. Gotta go to brand new clips. Gotta put the clips on. And then, look at the chrome, bro. Look at the chrome. And then even the chrome strip around the wood grain. Come on now. Obviously, this is so much better, bro. And then, if we... that's how we gonna look. And like I said, I've ordered a brand new black piece, so the black piece will be in a couple of days. But bro, come on now, y'all can't tell me that don't already look 1,000 times better than this one. It's so obvious which one looks better. Y'all let me know though. Y'all let me know which one y'all think look better. And like I said, I want to put some chrome going around here, so I gotta order that still. I haven't ordered it. I should have, but I didn't. But yeah, I need to order that, and then just basically so it'll match the chrome that goes around here. So I have chrome going around there, and then into my Alcantara cup holder, my Alcantara armrest that I wrapped. Like I said, y'all didn't check that out, go check that video out, bro. I did really good. Yeah, man, this is it. And like I said, we're gonna put it next to the wood grain that's inside the car. It's gonna be off a little bit. This is gonna be a little darker, I'm thinking, because you can obviously tell it's gonna be a little off. But like I said, this just looks 1,000 times better than trying to rock this. And y'all know we cleaned this one, did not clean up good at all. Don't need these clips no more or nothing. So junk, because we got a brand new one, brand spanking new. And they sell different type of wood grain ones. I think it's one other wood grain one. I think they have a black one, You feel me? They sell different ones, so if you don't need this one, if you want a different one, you can get a different one. But this is the one I need. It was, like I said, it was closest to what I could get. And if we go ahead, go inside the car. Honestly, it's not that off. It's not that off. It's not that bad. This chrome just shines a lot more, but you feel me? It's gonna be here like that, and like I said, the black is gonna be around there. I'm gonna most likely clean this up, use some steel wool, see if I can clean the shifter up as much as I can. You know what I'm saying? Most likely, probably gonna clean up as well. But like I said, this is gonna go here just like that, right there. Come on now, y'all can't tell me this not gonna look good. And like I said, it's not that off. It's gonna be way off from here though. Yeah. But y'all know this piece is new. I'm gonna order another one for the passenger door since we finna ready to start on that project. So I'm gonna order one of these for the passenger side. But yeah, brand new. It's on camera it looks worse. In person it don't look as off as it is in person. Yeah, on camera it looks so much lighter, but it's not that light. I promise y'all. In person it's not that light. Maybe if I get out in the sun a little bit more with the car, then maybe it look a little bit lighter like it is on camera. But I promise y'all, it's not in person. It don't look like this. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think though, man. So what I'm gonna do for the time being, I'm just gonna leave it on here like this. That way I won't lose it. And this can go in the trash as long as my shipping paper. All that can go in my little trash box. Just like that. Come on now. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. How y'all feel about it? Me, personally, man, bro, I think it looks fantastic. I think it looks fantastic. Actually, I'm gonna take these clips off. I'm not putting the clips on yet either until I go ahead and get that black on there, so it won't be too hard for me to take off. So, so my clips just in that little cubby. And then this there. Oop, wrong way. I was wondering why I wouldn't go flat. I was like, but there. And like I said, my new black piece should come in within the next 2 days. So once they come in, then we're gonna put that in there, and then we're gonna sit this on here with the clips in. So y'all stay tuned for that. That'll be coming very soon. Feels a little shaky. I don't know why they would be. So yeah, when I took off, where is it at? Oh, here it is. So when I took this off, honestly, I didn't need to. I could have just took the bulb out, because this is trash, because the new piece comes with this already on there. That way all I gotta do is plug my bulb in there. But I didn't know that until I ordered the piece. So yeah, it is what it is, man. And my camera finna die. So let me go ahead. Yeah, like I said, man, I didn't have to take this off, but like I said, I did not know that until I ordered the new one. I looked at it and the new one comes with this already on there. So if y'all was wondering, you know you don't have to take it off when you order your new little seal. So yep. But yeah, man, this is it, man. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. Next video we probably gonna be wiring up my radio, my new 9-inch for the Apple CarPlay, and then the video after that I'm gonna try to today go ahead and cut out the passenger door ABS plastic. If not, then that's gonna be first thing I do tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we really rolling, y'all. We really rolling. We spending a lot, but it gotta be spent, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to make sure this car looks fantastic, bro. You know what I'm saying? I want this car to look absolute. Well, it can't nothing be perfect, you know what I'm saying? But I want it to be perfection in my eyes, you know what I'm saying? Because my eyes is all that really matter, you know what I'm saying? Because this is my car, and I'm only trying to please myself. I want myself to, and you feel me? I'm doing all this stuff myself, man. Y'all know that. Just about everything besides the welding portion, I've done it all myself so far. And that's how I'm trying to keep it going, you know what I'm saying? I done custom made my own door panel, upper door card. Finna do the same thing for the passenger side. Then did the dash, bro. Then painted the whole interior, bro. Man, come on, man. I done so much. And like I said, a lot of this stuff has been my first time. And y'all know we gotta pull the seats back out so I can paint the bottom half and all the brackets and everything on it. So we gotta do that. But man, look at my dash, bro. This dash is so tough. Just wait until I get that passenger door piece made like this one, then I'm gonna have both of them on, and with the door speaker, I'm telling you, it's gonna look fire, bro. It's gonna look so good. But yeah, other than that, man, like I said, y'all leave y'all pin. I'm not taking the plastic off, to be honest with y'all. The plastic is gonna stay on here for a very long time, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want it to tear up very easily. So even though the car is protected in this tent from the sun and everything, I still don't want nothing to, and this car cover on. I got the car cover on it just for extra protection. I still don't want nothing to happen to it. So especially since this is brand new, and I mean, it ain't too expensive, but it also is not cheap, bro. This piece, almost $100 just for this piece. So yep, this mug is junk now. We don't need it, but it's the OEM piece. You feel what I'm saying? Like I said, it's pretty obvious which one is better. And like I said, the wood grain is not that far off, but it's all gonna still look good, bro. And I'm glad I went ahead and opted out for getting a new one instead of trying to find a used one. This was definitely the right move to get this one. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, and I'll catch y'all for the outro. Alright guys, so it's gonna be the end of this one, man. Like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments, how y'all feel about it. And we still gotta make, once we get the center console in, we gotta make the EQ holder. I'm probably gonna have to make it out of wood because this ABS plastic ain't gonna be thick enough for me to put screws in it, you know what I'm saying, to hold it. So we most likely gonna have to make that out of wood. And I basically got this ABS plastic for nothing. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. It's basically just gonna be sitting here. So yeah, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make the EQ holder, how it's gonna stand, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, we gotta get that made. But y'all know I haven't just been ordering stuff just to order anything. Everything I've been getting has been for per project since I got the car back, you know what I'm saying. I haven't been just ordering stuff to let everything pile up again. So y'all know I ordered the stuff for the dash when we was doing the dash project, got that done. Ordered stuff for my column, which still haven't came in. I'm probably gonna have to cancel that order and then just reorder it, or order from something else, or you know what I'm saying, probably just do it like that. Waiting on that to come in. What else? Oh yeah, now we moving on to the center console. Y'all know we just wrapped the arm again. We took that old blue vinyl off and wrapped it in Alcantara black because it matched a little bit better than that vinyl blue. That vinyl blue is way off. So yeah, I'm same thing. I'm probably gonna have to wrap my EQ holder in Alcantara wrap as well. But yeah, now we on the center console. Got the little dust shield piece ordered. Waiting on that to come in. It's supposed to be in, I told y'all 2 days. It's supposed to be in 3 days. I just looked at it. So once they come in, we're gonna throw that on, then put the top plate on, then all we have to do is throw the center console back in, and then screw it down, mount it permanently. Then it's done. And then let me think, what else? Oh yeah, I just got the new ABS plastic in the mail. It's right there. So all I gotta do now is cut that out for my passenger door. Then we still have plenty of ABS plastic left over. I'm gonna have to figure out what I can do with it. And honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but we'll figure something out, you know what I'm saying. Then what else? Really, this passenger door is one of the main things left to finish, besides getting the seats wrapped, upper door cards wrapped, and throwing the carpet in. But after we finish that, we probably gonna start, I might go ahead and run my speaker wires so we can go ahead and have that done. And then probably in a couple months I'm gonna go ahead and order the sound system for this car. I'm doing CT sound. I'm gonna give me some CT sound subs and amp, you know what I'm saying. That's what I'm gonna do for my subwoofers in here. And I'm not gonna let nobody tell, I'm not gonna let y'all change my mind, you know what I'm saying. Even though y'all might tell me get something different, that's what I want, that's what I'm gonna get. So that's my plan. Same thing with my box Chevy. I'm doing Scar. I'm not gonna let y'all change my mind, because y'all done changed my mind too much before already. So but other than that, like I said, leave y'all opinions in the comments. Gonna be the end of this one, man. Hit the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Road to 5K, so hit that subscribe button, share the channel, do whatever you can to help me reach that goal. But other than that, man, I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.